Good morning, dear students. From today, I will start class 9 geography. This is the chapter 1 Snow, which I am going to explain to all of you. The name of the chapter is India, Size and Location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. There are few facts given in your book, which I am providing you directly. You have to learn all these facts and you have to write the answer of the question given in exercise. Let's start. First is, what is latitudinal expansion of India? The 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal expansion 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Third is, India lies in northern hemisphere. You know that the earth is divided in two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So India lies in northern hemisphere. Fourth point is, Tropic of Cancer divides India in two parts. You know that from on earth we have drawn 5 most important imaginary line, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, which I will show in last. Now, fifth point, in southeast Andaman and Nicobar Island, in southwest Lakshadweep lies. These are the two most important islands for India. Sixth point, Andaman and Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal while Lakshadweep lies in Arabian Sea. You know that India lies in Indian Ocean and it divides Indian Ocean in two parts, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. In east side this is Bay of Bengal and west side Arabian Sea. I'll show you on the map, not map, it's a figure given in your book. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now again on topic. There is a note that is southmost point of Indian Union. Indira Point got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during tsunami. 2004 में एक सुनामी के कारण जो साउदर्न मोस्ट एकदम साउथ का जो पॉइंट था, इंदिरा पॉइंट जिसे हम कहते हैं, वो डूब गया. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर पॉइंट 7. Land mass area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. That is 2.4% of complete geographical land on earth. 8 point, India is 7th largest country of the world. There is a homework for you, that is, tell me top 10 country area wise. Now point 9, total length from north to south is 3214 km. Total length from east to west side is 2933 km. Now point 8. The neighbors of India are Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Afghanistan, China. These are connected through land. And there are two other neighbors, that is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Maldives Island are in south of the Lakshadweep. Sri Lanka separated by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Sri Lanka is separated by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Maldives Island are in south of the Lakshadweep. Now, point 11. The total boundary of India is about 15,200 km. The total coastline of India, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6. Now, what's the meaning of coastline? The line which is directly connected to the sea or ocean. Now, point 13. The standard meridian of India passes through Mirzapur, UP. 14. Standard meridian of India is 82 degree 1/2 minute east. Homework for you, give the answer of find out. Find out is a folder given in your book. You have to find the answer of those questions. Now 15 point, Tropic of Cancer in India passes through these states. What are the name of those states? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Mizoram, Jharkhand. Point 16. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Point 17. Area wise Smallest state is Goa. Largest state is Rajasthan. Point 18. Before 1947, it's a note which was given. I converted it into point that before 1947, states were of two types: province and princely states. Province were directly ruled by British officials appointed by Viceroy, and in princely states, rule was of local hereditary rulers. Now, point 19. Standard timeline, that is standard meridian, which was 82 degree 1 by 2 minute east, is passes through these states. What are the name of those states? UP, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, MP, Chhattisgarh. Top 5 district by area: Kutch, Leh, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Bandmer. Kutch lies in Gujarat, Leh lies in J&K before the division of J&K in two union territories. Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Bandmer, all three lies in Rajasthan. Point 21. Extreme points of India, that is southmost point, northernmost point, westernmost point, easternmost point, and mainland. The extreme point of mainland is Kanyakumari, which lies in Tamil Nadu. Southmost point, Indira Point. Northmost point, Indira Call, which lies in J&K. Westernmost point, Gaur Mata, that is in Gujarat. Easternmost point is Kivithu, that lies in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, border of India. You know that there are nine neighbors of India, in which 7 are directly connected through the land. So, what are the states that makes boundary with those countries? First, for China, J&K, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. For Nepal, UP, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim. For Myanmar, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. For Pakistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, J&K. For Bhutan, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. For Afghanistan, J&K. For Bangladesh, J&K, West Bengal, Assam, Mirzapur, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Now here, your first chapter is completed. Now I will show you some figures given in your book, and then after that I will tell you about few important points that could be important for your exam, or maybe for your entrance exam for other classes. Let's start. This is the first figure that is given. From here you can see the westmost point to eastmost point distance is 2933 km. Northmost point, southmost point distance is 3214 km. You can see here 68 degree 7 minute, 97 degree 25 minute, 37 degree minute, and 8 degree 4 minute. Sri Lanka. This is all. Now we will go for next figure. This is the next figure, in which it shows routes, air routes and sea routes. This is showing you that how India was connected to all other different countries presented on the globe. Third and last figure in your book, that is very important. Here you can see that Tropic of Cancer is passing through 8 different states of India: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. It's time for other important fact. If you think this as Earth, there are 5 most important lines. First one, 0 degree line or equator. Second, 23 degree 1 by 2 north, 23 degree 1 by 2 south, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Next line, 66 degree 1 by 2 south, Antarctic Circle, 66 degree 1 by 2 north, Arctic Circle. What is the shape of India? It is tetrahedral. India is situated in northern hemisphere. Now there are some international border line. First is McMahon Line, second Redcliffe Line, third is Durand Line. McMahon Line lies between India and China, which was decided on 27th April 1914. Redcliffe Line lies between India and Pakistan, which was decided on 15 August 1947. Durand Line was presented between India and Afghanistan before the division of India. After that, now it is presented between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now some important channels. There are 5 important channels for India. Great Channel, which lies between Indira Point and Indonesia. You know that the Indonesia is a country which lies in Indian Ocean. 10-degree channel, Andaman and Car Nicobar. 9-degree channel divides Minicoy Island and Lakshadweep. What is Minicoy? Minicoy is a small island which is part of Lakshadweep. 8-degree channel divides Maldives and Minicoy Island. Park Strait, which you know that it divides India and Sri Lanka. Now it's time for your homework. Do all find out which is given in your book and exercise question from your book. This is where your chapter is completed. Congratulations to all of you. You have successfully completed your first chapter.